Whoa! I almost knocked over my camera. So I have a lot of energy today, so I'm gonna try to film a bunch of videos. I just filmed a BoxyCharm unboxing, and I was like, I need to go use this energy to clean, but I'm like, I immediately thought of cleaning. I'm like, I'd rather film videos. Okay, so Poshmark Q&A. Here we go. First question. Thank you for all your content and can't wait to hear more about eBay. If you guys don't know, I sell on eBay now. 2021, selling on eBay now. Question, have you kept track of how many return cases have been opened and or won against you? A Posher I follow on Insta showed that her account was suspended out of nowhere and it took a week to get her Posh account back. She was told that it was due to too many cases decided in her buyer's favor, but she had no warning beforehand. I've been on the mindset that some buyers experience buyer's remorse and to consider returns if they appear reasonable and not scammy. I definitely will be much stricter with cases if it appears Posh is moving to ban people for cases. So I think I know who you're talking about because I saw somebody on Instagram, they showed like a screenshot of an email that they got from Poshmark. It said that the reason their account was suspended was other, and then like a couple of days later, or maybe it was a week later, she posted that it was because she had too many cases against her. So to answer your question, I don't keep track. I mean, I could go back and look. I don't know. I think I want to email Poshmark and ask them like what the amount is. I don't get many cases open against me, so I'm not worried. It's kind of shitty that they just like suspended her account and didn't give her a warning. You know, they should be like, if you get one more case, then it's grounds for account suspension. I don't think there's anything on their website or in their terms that say like, if you get this number of cases, then your account is suspended. Might be something, but I don't know. I don't think so. Again, I'm going to email them and ask them, and then I will get back to you in another video. Next question, do you sell on Facebook Marketplace? People are saying it's the one to start using. I listed an item and sold within 2 days, but people's questions are annoying. 120 questions, like Google it if my description isn't a novel. Oh my god, it's a blackhead remover, people. It removes your blackheads, lol. So no, I don't sell on Facebook Marketplace. I am looking into it though, because like you, I have heard people say that it's a good place to sell. I don't want to do like personal deliveries. Like I don't want to sell to people around me. First off, because I live in like a small town in the woods and I want to drive. But I know that you can ship things on there, so I might look into that. But honestly, right now I'm just looking into. Sorry, I keep looking. I noticed in like a few of my most recent videos, I just keep looking at the viewfinder and not the lens. What was I saying? Oh, yeah. So right now I want to focus obviously on Poshmark, but I'm also selling on eBay now too. So I want to kind of focus on those two things and then maybe move to Facebook Marketplace just to see. I don't know. We'll see. I would just be careful if you're going to do like the meeting up with people, because that just sketches me out. Even if there wasn't a pandemic going on, I would still be sketched out by it. But throw in a pandemic, it's like, This wasn't really a question. This was a comment on one of my most recent videos, and I wanted to address it because it got some thumbs up. So this was on my video where I told you guys I started selling on eBay, and mainly because I found this one product, or somebody on Instagram told their followers about this one product, and I picked it up, started selling it. It's been selling literally like hotcakes. And I said I didn't want to tell you guys what that product was, and this person got mad. They said, I enjoy your videos, but you said you're making money with this item on eBay and won't say. All resellers share what sold and stuff. So first off, all resellers do not share what they sell. They don't, especially people that sell on eBay, especially people that sell high in-demand items. They don't want to share that because they don't want to saturate the market. You know, especially if you have a larger following. I don't want to tell, like you guys, I don't want to tell you guys, oh, I'm selling this, it's making me a lot of money, and then a shit ton of you guys go out and buy it too, and then you sell it on eBay, and maybe you'll try to sell it for a cheaper price than what I'm selling it for. Not like intentional, but, you know, to make money too, and then it, you know, messes up my sales, and, you know, I just don't want that. So I really don't think you should take offense to that or get mad, because I make a shit ton of videos, and I give you guys, like, good tips and tricks and stuff, and if you're gonna get mad because I'm selling one thing on eBay and I won't tell you what it is, then you can just leave my channel, because that's silly to me. The comment did have some thumbs up, so I just wanted to address that because multiple people feel that way, but I just think that that's silly. Like I'm not going to tell you guys what my hot selling item is right now, because this is my business. This is how I make money. And again, if I tell a lot of people, it could potentially make my sales go down. So if you can't understand that, then I don't know what to tell you. Like, I'm not being a bitch about that. It's strictly business. I'm not just like, I'm not going to tell my followers because I'm a bitch. Like, no, it's a business. Business. Okay, next question. Can I ask you a question? Who chooses the main pic of the Posh party and how do they choose it? My photo is being used for the 9 p.m. party tonight and I'm just really confused as to how it got there. Stephanie, I honestly do not know. I don't know. I would assume that they would use one of the hosts' pictures, like from one of their listings. I feel like they would just choose it randomly. But yeah, I don't know for sure. But congrats to you. That's cool. That was last night, by the way. So hope your party went well. Okay, last question. I think. Yes. Your videos always pump me up. Love your passion. Thank you, Miss Glam Bam. I see your comments and I see you sharing my Poshmark closet and liking my things. I see you, girl. Okay, could you do a video on eBay for beginners? With all the fees, it's always seemed intimidating to me. Congrats again on the baby. You pre-filmed so well. There was no gap in uploads. Major kudos. I definitely need to consider a separate bank account for Posh stuff. Does Chime have a higher interest rate savings account they offer too? I've been hearing about them a lot. Okay, so thank you for your kind words. Like I said, you're awesome. Can you do a video on eBay for beginners? Yes. Once I am like more into it, I guess, because I've been selling for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks. No, yeah, almost 3 weeks on eBay. So once I get into it more and start doing more things, yes, I will. But I agree with you. eBay was always intimidating to me with like the fees and stuff, but it's, cross my fingers, knock on wood, it hasn't been that bad so far. But yes, I will eventually make that video. What else? Okay, so you're talking about Chime. So I talked about Chime in a previous video. It is a bank that I use for Poshmark and I freaking love it. I get my deposits within hours. Like I could, well, I've already cashed out for today, but when did I cash out for today? I cashed out at like 7 this morning. It'll be in my bank account. It's 11:30 right now. It'll be in my bank account by noon, which is crazy. Transfers from Poshmark are literally in my bank account within hours, whereas with other banks on Poshmark, it takes days. It is so easy to use. The app is great. I haven't had any issues with them. As far as a higher interest savings account, so I do have a savings account as well. Let me look on the website. Let's see if I can give you some info. This bank account isn't good for just people that have Poshmark. It's also good for people with like regular jobs too. This says get your paycheck up to 2 days early with direct deposit. So for some reason, you're able to get deposits quicker with Chime. I don't know why. It says when you receive direct deposit to your online Chime spending account, you can access your funds up to 2 days early. Hold on, there's a 1 next to that. I want to see why. It says early access to direct deposit funds depend on the timing of submissions. We generally make, well, yeah, I mean, obviously, if you make it at like midnight, you know, it's going to be in there the next day at a reasonable time. This says we generally make these funds available on the day the payment file is received, which may be up to 2 days earlier than the scheduled payment date. So yeah, so they have that. Let's see, what else? Online banking, no fee overdraft, fee-free overdraft with SpotMe. They'll spot you up to $100 on your debit card purchases with no overdraft fee. I don't know what that's all about. No hidden fees. There's no overdraft fees. There's no minimum balance fees, no monthly fees, no foreign transaction fees. So they have a spending account, which is just like just a regular checking account. They call it a spending account. You get a debit card, and they have a credit builder account. It says increase your credit score by an average of 30 points with our new secured credit card. Okay, so they offer a credit card. No annual interest, no annual fee or interest, no credit check, no minimum security deposit. They have a savings account as well. 0.5% APY, set money aside for automatic savings and never pay a fee. So yes, that's 10 times the national average. So that's good. That's really good. So yeah, I will have a link down below if you want to sign up for Chime. I do have a referral link with them. If you sign up and you have a deposit of $200 or more within the first 45 days of opening up your account, you get $75. They're just going to put $75 in your account, which is crazy. And I also get $75 too, so that's super cool. If you create an account, you can give your friends and family your referral link and you can earn $75, they can earn $75. It's great. The $75 though is only until January 31st, and then it's $50, I believe. I mean, either way, when you refer friends and family, they get money, you get money, as long as they meet the stipulations, which is amazing. And again, it's not just for Poshmark, it's for any type of direct deposit from Poshmark, from your regular job, anything. I have a link down below if you're interested in signing up for Chime. So that is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit. So thank you. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.